Mango cheesecake recipe. For the crust, 200 graham crackers or digestive biscuits. 100 grams unsalted butter, melted, for the filling. 500 grams cream cheese at room temperature. 1 cup mango puree from fresh or canned mangoes. 1 cup heavy whipping cream, cold, 1/2 cup powdered sugar. To TSP gelatin optional for extra firmness. 1/4 cup hot water if using gelatin. For the topping, 1 cup mango puree. Fresh mango slices optional. 1. Prepare the crust. Crush the graham crackers or digestive biscuits into fine crumbs. Mix the crumbs with the melted butter until well combined. Press the mixture into the bottom of a pan to form an even layer. Refrigerate while preparing the filling. Prepare the filling. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese until smooth. Add the powdered sugar and continue to beat until well combined. Mix in the mango puree until fully incorporated. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. If using gelatin, dissolve it in hot water and let it cool slightly before folding it into the mixture. 3. Assemble the cheesecake. Pour the filling over the prepared crust and smooth the top and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or until set. 4. Add the topping. Spread the mango puree over the top of the cheesecake. Garnish with fresh mango slices if desired. 5. Serve. Carefully remove the cheesecake from the springform pan. Slice and enjoy your delicious mango cheesecake. This no-bake mango cheesecake is perfect for a refreshing summer dessert. Enjoy! I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comment section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description. So don't forget check out the description.